So this is my dog Purdy. She's almost 2 and she inspires me every day. I learn all kinds of yoga poses from her just by watching her. So the first thing that she does when she gets up in the morning or gets up from sitting down for a long time is that she does the most incredible downward facing dog stretch. She then follows that up with an incredible upward facing dog stretch. And the reason being is that downward facing dog stretches out her entire back and all the way down the backs of her legs, and upward facing dog stretches out the entire front of her legs up through her chest and all the way up through her neck. So my top tip is, if you're in search of inspiration for what to do, look to the animal kingdom. Look at your cat and your dog and work out what they do, because these animals know what feels good for the body and they know what the body needs. So here we go. This is her probably in the equivalent of shavasana, which is known as corpse pose, which is the pose that all traditional yoga classes finish with. Thank you, Purdy.